So over here you can see that I have this PNG image right here, and let's say what I want to do is convert it into JPG. So for that you can go to ILoveIMG.com, and here you can see that convert to JPG is an option. You can go to all image tools and then choose convert to JPG as well, and then you can simply go ahead and select this image and then drag it out from here. Or you can go ahead and select out the PNG and keep it right here. So it supports different images formats. So I'm just utilizing PNG right here as an example. So it says all the images will be converted to JPG. So I'm just going to click on convert right here. And then if you were to go ahead and click on download now right here, then you can see that this is what you have. The image has now been converted to JPG format. So if I were to click on convert to JPG, you can see that these are the image format that it supports. So like for example, PNG, GIF, TIFF, PSD, SVG, WebP, HEIC, or RAW images are supported right here for quick conversion. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the convert to JPG feature inside of ILoveIMG. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.